So here we have an 8-pack solar light outdoor pathway set. So these come in a small compact size where they could fit in about any application, and it has a kind of a fancy design light pattern that it puts out. It's almost like a star shape. Super easy to put together. You just slide in the accessories into the poles. The spike is reversed into the pole because it may not look like there's spikes in the box, but they're inside the pole. You just pull it out, reverse it, and you're ready to go, setting them where you need them. It has an on-off switch inside the lamp where you could just twist on and twist off and install. So as you would expect, these are IP65 waterproof, heat resistance, cold resistance, and rust resistant. And these are great for around ponds. You can spread them out in the garden. And what I'm using for is my driveway pathway, because I got a car that has no backup camera, and these guide me in just like a runway on an airport. Super convenient. It's nice layout, easy to install. You can't go wrong with this pathway light set, and you won't be disappointed.